How to hide mention in Instagram story. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to hide mention or tags on Instagram story. So first of all, after you open up your Instagram like this now, to hide mention on your Instagram story, go ahead and open up your camera section by swiping to right like this. After you open your camera section, as you can see now, here is my story section. So now you can go ahead and tap on this camera icon to record a video or take a picture, or you can upload the video or picture from your phone. So for me, I'll just go ahead and just take a picture of my watch like this. So I'll just take a picture. So as you can see now, I take a picture of my watch. So if you want to add dimension or tag on your Instagram story, tap on this, as you can see now, this little as you can see now, this sticker icon. After you tap on the sticker icon, here is mention, select this mention. After you select this mention, now you can go ahead and type in the person that you want to mention on your Instagram story. So I'll just type on this, let's say I'll just type in someone name. So as you can see now, by typing someone name now, it will gives you all suggested people at the bottom. So go ahead and tap on the person picture. So you can go ahead and type in all up to 20 people, as you can see now in this mention. After you finish typing all the people that you want to mention or you want to tag, so tap on the, as you can see now, tap on the text once. After you tap on the text once, now it will change the background of the text and it will make the text transparent. So now to hide it, all you have to do now, resize the text like this. After you resize the text like this, all you have to do now, drag it to up. As you can see now, drag it to up. As you can see now I take it out of my Instagram story. But as you can see now, the people that I tag are already existing on the Instagram story, but no one can be able to see them on the Instagram story, but they are existing. Here is it. So tap on this next arrow at the bottom. So now you can go ahead and share your Instagram story by hiding the mention. That's it guys on how to hide mentions in Instagram story. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.